Hello, and welcome to another healthful guided meditation. Let's start, as we always do, by getting comfortable. Sit or lay in a comfortable position with your arms relaxed at your side. You may find it helpful to sit for this ocean visualization as we connect with our breath and work to lower our blood pressure. First, I want you to take a deep breath in, any way that is comfortable for you, a nice, slow breath. Let the air fill up your lungs completely, and then slowly breathe it all the way out. Breathe this way intentionally for a few minutes, in through your nose, fill up your lungs and belly, breathe out all the way. As you continue to breathe, let your out-breath focus on relaxing your body, bringing down your blood pressure, feeling your muscles and blood vessels relax as you breathe. Now let your breath fall into a natural rhythm as we start to picture ourselves on the beach. It's a nice warm day. The sun is shining and a light breeze is blowing. You're standing in soft white sand, looking out at a light blue ocean with gentle waves lapping up on the shoreline. I want you to picture yourself walking along the shoreline. Just as the waves come up to hit your toes, they slide back into the ocean with ease. In your ocean scene, find a comfortable place to stand. You're on the beach alone, standing in the warm sun. Reconnect with your breath by taking a few deep breaths in and out as you wiggle your toes in the warm sand and feel the warm sun. While standing here in the sun, do a quick body scan. Be mindful and present, and engage with your body and how you're feeling. Start at your head. And as you breathe in and let that breath go, relax all the muscles in your face. Loosen your jaw. Move down to your shoulders. You might want to roll them back and down to release any tension, or gently shake your arms. Continue to do this through your chest and abdomen, paying particular attention to your back and back muscles and any area that may feel tense. Draw your breath in. Focus on relaxing tension as you breathe out, down your legs, feet, and toes. Now that the tension in your body is gone, let's move onto your blood vessels. We want your blood vessels to relax, for blood to flow easily. Imagine your heart pumping with ease. All the blood is going to your body through open blood vessels, keeping you warm and nourished and healthy. If your thoughts start to wander, bring them back to the beach. Imagine as the waves crash up the shore and the water comes closer to you. As it recedes back to the ocean, you blow your breath out and you lower your blood pressure. With each new wave, it's a breath in. As the wave goes out, it's a breath out. Let's go deeper in this visualization. And as you breathe in, imagine your strong heart pumping. And as you breathe out, imagine your blood vessels relaxing so that the blood can flow as easily as the ocean tide. The wave comes up, you breathe in, and your heart pumps so strong. The waves go out, you breathe out, and your blood vessels relax to accept the warm blood. Continue to bring your thoughts back to the waves crashing, your heart beating, the waves receding, and your blood vessels relaxing. With each rhythmic breath, it's a rhythmic wave and a pumping and relaxing of all the blood vessels in your body. Bring your awareness back to your body. Make sure it's staying relaxed in your face muscles, that your jaw is loose and your neck and back are relaxed. Take a big, deep, cleansing breath. Breathe out fully, making a soft sound if you need. And start to wiggle your toes. Move from the soft sand of the ocean to your physical body as you start to become more aware of your deep relaxation and your lowered blood pressure. Remembering yourself at the water's edge and the control of your breath and blood vessels with the ocean tide can help you lower your blood pressure and live your healthiest life. Thank you for joining me today, and good luck on your health journey.